Hello guys, today in this video I will tell you how to hide your subscriber count. You can see there is a one subscribe and it looks very awful or very not good for your channel. If you are new channel, then it's very important for you to hide your subscriber count, so to get new subscribers, because people don't really, mostly people don't like to subscribe. So go to YouTube Studio and because people don't like to subscribe to a channel with less number of subscribers, so then go to settings, and guys then go to channel and then go to advanced settings, and here you can see subscriber count. So you have to untick this. Mostly these days YouTube have officially untick it, I guess, and that's done. Now another trick I will tell you that is important for you is click on this, and here you will check out here this, click customize channel. This is very important, guys. You can check yourself how your YouTube channel looks to your new visitor or your returning subscribers. So guys, I will tell you more tutorial videos like this, so please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and click the bell notification button so you get the latest updates about PC and mobile hack videos. And in the next video I will tell you about new hacks about YouTube. Till then, bye.